Alright, we got a cool couple of watches to unbox. I did a trade with a guy that I met through the comments on one of my videos, and we connected through Instagram and wound up making a trade. John V in the comments traded away my Jerome Lamar's Chargal, however that's pronounced, for these two watches. This one came in a case. Pretty cool, really similar case to the one that came with that Jerome Lamar's. And this, the thing that initiated the trade, this beautiful piece of 1991 or 90 quartz. So, yeah, I believe these were released in 91. It might have been 1990. Casio cbx1000. Just beautiful. How do you open this box? Here I am on the struggle bus. It looks a little bigger in the pictures. I thought it would be a little unsightly, but actually it looks kind of cool. And the back cover has that form in there. Just a really cool looking watch, made in Japan. Really, really, really good condition. I believe he said he found it at a garage sale or a like a Goodwill or something like that. Yeah, this thing hasn't seen many use hours. The rubber feels good. I will, however, replace it and save the rubber if I want to wear the watch, because I do not want to have to try to replace that old strap. For now, I'm going to throw it on. It's actually a pretty nice size. I actually like this a lot. Thank you, John, for this watch. And let's check what else I got. Actually, first I want to see if there's a copyright date or something in this little guide. Wow, it takes a 2016. That's a big battery for it. I would have guessed something a little smaller. Yeah, I don't think that there's a date in the book, but I know that some I've seen online say 1991. I'm gonna try to figure out how to use any of this. I don't believe it has a light, but I could be wrong. There may be a light function that I need to read the book to find. And then we got this watch. Ooh. It looked a little larger in the pictures. That is a nice looking chronograph. The seconds tick every few seconds instead of every second. Maybe that only happens while the chronograph's running. We'll stop the chronograph and maybe reset. Okay. It does have a alarm function. Date is controlled with that. And, oh, that's so satisfying. I'm gonna have to find out how to use this, but this is awesome also. Well, I like the size of this. However, I need one more link. I'm gonna have to try to find one more link for this. I thought it would fit. He told me the size it was, and I said I thought that was my size. But overall, really awesome trade, and thank you, John. Also, I'm gonna probably do a little bit further review on this Casio here, because I'm really interested in this old watch. I think it's really awesome. And also, don't mind the table. I'm camping.